So now let me start with our scene here, where we use this plane animation to make an interesting fluid simulation. So in this scene that I will just attach with the files, we have our camera preview, and I don't need this camera preview for now. I just need this camera one, okay. And we have imported the Alembic file of the Navy Splash. You can just open Alembic files here from what is it? File import Alembic scene, and you choose the file of the plane that I've attached, and you press import, and this imports our Navy Splash node here, which is our plane. After we do this, I have made an object merge where I merged the different parts of our plane. So you just here okay, you just open this Navy Splash, select a part, and don't forget to go to the last level here inside this part. Don't choose this SOP, but choose this node after the SOP, okay. And you do the same for the parts of the plane. So I have included this in front of and the Elias part. We have 4 different parts, and don't forget to change this transform into this object to import the transform of or the animation of this plane falling, okay. Then after this, I have added this unpack node, because Alembic objects are always imported as pack points, okay. So we have 4 points. It imports each part of our plane as a packed object, which is just a point, and this is for just the speed of the viewport, because packed objects are just lighter. So if we just choose our select, we have now 4 primitives: this part, and this part, and this part, and here we have another leg here, okay. So there are 4 parts. After you unpack, you will have every part consisting of different primitives and different faces, and you can select those faces. Before that, you won't be able to select the faces. You can just select a whole object, because a whole object here, or the whole object, is just represented by 1 primitive. So this is the unpack operation, and we put our plane collision, okay. Now we are just going to press here, control click, create a flip tank, and this flip tank, let me change the particle separation to 0.04, something like that. Now this is an ocean source node, but I will just put the scales that I have used in my simulation before. It was 57.38, 30.56, 82.07, negative 16.85, 12.54, 9.32, and this matches our simulation, okay. Now here we have created our Autodop network. We have this merge node. We can create the collision of the plane, so we are going to import it as a static object, because we don't need our plane to go with the gravity. We just need our plane animation. So it's a static object. So here we're going to shoot this navy plane in the obj navy plane and connect it with the merge node. Shift R, call this plane object. Then here, if we just press play, nothing will happen and our plane will not move, because we need to use deforming object in order to have the animation of the plane. Okay, so this is for this video. In the next video we'll talk more about the plane, okay, the plane collisions. So this is for this video. Thank you.